Well, I don't have some.
Where's trash?
Where's the trash? All over.
All
Where?
Wherever you wanted it.
Let me see if I can find it. Here, right here. Huh?
Yeah.
Is that what that looks like?
Oh my gosh.
Every time I come, I'll show you. See, this is real small. Bedroom, bathroom.
Here's the bedroom.
It's not much. They're just 400 pounds.
Wow.
Seriously.
Wow.
Come on out. Let me see if I can get Okay. Thank you. How much do I owe you?
350.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. It's worth it.
All right.
Actually, that's all. The last 3.5 years, I took care of mom, and I lived at her house in Fuller.
This is your mom's house?
Huh?
Your mom's house, right?
Yeah, that's in Fuller. That's I have a curious. Okay. So what do I make it out to? What is it, Roy? What's the name?
Farzona, Homidalem. Arzona.
MOM? What is that?
Farzona. HOMIDOVA.
Oh, so 22 or 20?
Today is 24.
Wow, time is flying.
Yeah, really.
350?
Yes.
Yeah, I have a security system around the So there's four guys. You get more because in the first of the year, they passed a new law. Every owner has to always give everybody a stove, working stove, and working refrigerator.
I hope I get a lot of job.
Well, you probably will off of that.
Yeah.
That's what
All
he
right.
does.
Thank you so
thank
much.
you, Arizona. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. If something, just call me.
Okay, we'll do.
Bye-bye.